Hello everyone, let's have some smile and fun today. Can you guess what exactly it is shown here by an arrow sign? It's camouflage bird, which doesn't looks like a bird when it stands steady. It looks like a dry wooden tree. Don't think that this sheep is alone and helpless. Why? Because you will see it soon. This dog, Obi the dachshund, been overweight to 77 pounds, which is 3 times more than its actual normal weight. Due to this, he was not able to even walk and even move further. This happened due to his owners, who feed him very excess food and didn't made him to do any physical activities. This dog came into very worst situation, hence he been undergo surgery to remove all excess weight, and finally he came to his normal shape and life. Now, let's have some laugh. He was just playing this game first time.
وين رايح؟ طب انزل انزل يا ابني، روح تحت انزل، روح تحت انجز انجز.
The smoothest skateboard trick you have ever seen. When he thought that he is ready to go now. This cat didn't shows any reaction towards that rat, even when rat is stealing her food. This happens very rare.
Ganyan ka bobo yung pusa namin. Ganyan ka bobo si Momo. Ayan, ayan. Oh, kinain na nung dagay. Oh, ayan. Naku, talaga naman. Oh, ayan, oh. Oh. Oh, ang kapal ang mukha.
Now, it's time for some creativity. This is amazing printing paint machine. It will print any type of design you want on wall just in few minutes. A perfect solution to park your car when there is a space issue. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed these and had a smile. We'll come with new fun and smile guys. Till that, take care and bye.